Without the right tools, cybersecurity teams waste valuable time only to make less informed decisions during incident investigations. With its built-in search interface, Netwrix Auditor helps you to easily find and analyze all suspicious activities connected to a user. Gain better visibility into security incidents without having to wade through cryptic event logs. Netwrix Auditor helps you quickly understand exactly what has happened, along with how it happened, what was affected, and who was behind it, enabling you to respond promptly and effectively. Investigating security incidents with Netwrix Auditor gains you visibility into who made what change and how it impacts system configurations. Use behavior anomalies and alerts to gain an idea of which users are making these critical changes. Accrued risk scores can inform us of the possibility of future incidents for these users. We can see from the alert that our service account has changed domain admin group memberships. The interactive search will enable a deeper investigation of this incident. Applying the username to the who field and domain admins to the what, we can refine the results and remove the background noise. This enables us to get a clearer picture of what took place and when, who made the change, and from where the change was made. Prevent a potential data breach by finding and analyzing suspicious activity with Netwrix Auditor.